Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have some smart snowflake string lights. So it's Christmas time coming up, but let me show you guys what we've got here for this in the meantime. So this is the instructions right there. Safety instructions, thank you card, I guess. Yes, okay. And then the remote control instructions there if you need information on how that works. I have the remote control here. I will open it up here. And here is our remote. Okay. There's the remote. Got that little pull tab to activate the battery. But in here we have our lights. It is a lot of big snowflakes. As such, this is what it looks like here. There's one, and it looks like there's a two, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 8 snowflakes, okay? And it's gonna plug in through your traditional outlet there. And then this is gonna be our controller with our QR code to set it up smart-like. So let me see, I'll unplug this here, plug in this, okay, there it's plugged in, and you can see this is what it looks like here. If I push the buttons, ooh, oh man, that's sweet. It's like circling around each of them. So that'll look sweet on the Christmas tree. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like working its way around. This one here is just nice and bright. There's that. These are gonna look great. It's like, I don't know if I want to put these on the Christmas tree or put them outside. Probably put them outside. Okay, so let's see how we make them smart now. So it had a little QR code, and I will scan that with my iPad and see what smartness we can get out of it. I wonder if it uses some of these other apps that I have. Let me see. Let me see if we can see this one here. How do we do this here? Okay, let me scan it. I'm gonna go scan it and set it up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I got it installed now. You know, it was just called SURP Life or something like that. SURP Life. Okay, so it's called SURP Life, and I installed it, and then I hit the plus. It just kind of automatically started adding the device, and it just added it for me. So I haven't done anything yet. It's still on as it was a minute ago. So let's just go in here and see if we turn it. See, off, it turned off, and on, it turns on. Okay, now let's go in here. Speech recognition. Okay, so here we go. So we can choose different things here. Let's scoot this up so you can see. So colorful. So we can set different colors here, I guess. Oh yeah, okay. So we can just set a certain single color. Oh, we can choose colors for certain ones. And then I can say yellow here. And is it doing that? Yeah, it's just changing certain ones. And then this color here. So then we can kind of make our own little design on that. We could do a scene. So we could say holiday scene, and then it's going to start doing whatever it does here. Oh, sweet. What's dating? I don't know what a dating scene is. I guess this is, if you're dating, this is what the scene will look like. Let's see, meditation. Did I click it? Meditation. I am so meditative. Disneyland. That's funny. Okay, so here they all are, and hopefully I'll be showing you up in one of these corners here. You'll see what it looks like outside, but super cool. I like it. Thumbs up. Decided against hanging it up outside since Christmas is still a while away. But here it is on a Christmas tree. But it looks super cool. These are super great lights. I love it. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.